Hey guys, so here's the RUKO F11PRO 2. This is a really nice high-end drone that I've been testing out for the last month or so, and I'm pretty impressed with it. It has a nice compact form factor, and it comes with all of the required accessories, even 2 batteries and extra propellers. This remote is really nice, and it has a little slot up here to put in your smartphone so you can see the view of the drone while you're flying it. And they also give you this nice case that includes space for everything that is included in the box. Here is the drone. I have unfolded these arms so it's ready to fly, and I have calibrated it through the remote here. I have my smartphone attached, and you can see a clear view of the camera out the front. This does use a 3-axis gimbal, so it's very nice quality no matter what kind of flying you're doing. So basically, you have all your controls for flight up here. I'm gonna push this little button here, and we will clear it for takeoff. Really simple controls with these 2 joysticks here. So here's a quick video clip of the RUKO F11PRO 2. This was recorded with the 3-axis gimbal camera that's on the front, and you can see that the footage is very good quality with accurate colors and very crisp details. Here it is panning to the right and flying forward. I'm a big fan of the video quality. It definitely works really well, and it's super smooth. Just take a look at this and see for yourself. So overall, the RUKO F11PRO 2 definitely checks out. It's super easy to fly. You do not have to have much experience using this to have fun. And I love how it has a 3-axis gimbal on the front that takes amazing photography, whether it's videos or still photos. All in all, a great drone, and I highly recommend it.